Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good and safe. Today I'm going to show you all how to make a long beans pirattal. Come, let's get into the video and check out the ingredients and how to make it. But before that, if you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe and click the bell button for all the latest updates. I'm G from G's Kitchen. Now here for this long beans pirattal, I have taken some long beans. These three I just kept to show you how I broke it. I did not cut, I broke it with my hand. I personally feel when we break it, it gives a different flavor. Just take out the ends and then break it in such a way. It's very easy, not difficult. You can go up to 3 to 4 long beans together and you can break it by hand. It really gives a special flavor rather than cutting it using a knife or a scissor. Just take off the ends and break it like this. I have broken all in same way and I have washed them in salt water. And today I am going to use the iron skillet to make this recipe. Come, let's do. Here I have heated up the iron skillet. When you are using an iron skillet, be careful. It tends to heat up very faster. So make sure you balance the heat always. Now my iron pan is nice and hot. You can see the smoke, I hope. I am adding 30 milliliters of coconut oil. Once it's heated up, it will cook very faster. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Then goes in 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. I just switch off the flame because it is cooking very faster. You can do the same when you are using an iron skillet. Here I have taken 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, cut it into small pieces, and some curry leaves. After it has cooled down a little bit, then we can switch on the flame again. Within seconds, the garlic started browning. It's very healthy to cook in an iron kadai or iron pan. So if you have chance, you can buy and use it. It is very healthy. The price is a bit on the high side, but for me it is an investment because it lasts for a long time. You can see now the garlic is browning. At this point I have taken about 2 medium-sized onions. I have cut it into very thin slices. I'm going to add this in and I'm going to saute this. As I said before that, I'm adding a little bit of salt into it. As I said earlier, the iron kadai is actually an investment. It costs a little bit more than the other pans, but it can last long for you for long time. So in that case, we need to maintain it properly as well. So we cannot just maintain it as such we maintain the other pans. So if you want a separate video on how to maintain the iron pans and how to buy and how to clean them, please let me know. I will make a dedicated video on that. Now you can see my onions also have started browning. Now I am going to add in the long beans. Once you added the long beans, you have to keep on stirring it in such a way so that it doesn't catch from the bottom. It will take 5 to 10 minutes until it is completely cooked. Keep on stirring. Now I'm going to sprinkle some water because I'm going to add in some chili flakes. So to make it not burning, so I'm adding some water, and I'm adding red chili flakes up to your taste, how much you want. Keep on stirring, and every now and then you can add little bit water, just sprinkle, you don't have to pour in water. Little bit of turmeric. Now if you are a vegetarian, you can keep on stirring this until it is nicely cooked and your dish will be ready. But there is an option that you can add in either dry fish or some Maldive fish, whatever you like, you can add in. That makes the dish much more tastier. I am adding some powdered Maldive fish. You can also fry some anchovies and add in, or you can add some dried prawns as well. That also gives a nice flavor to this recipe. Now I have added the Maldive fish. Keep on stirring, and if you like more oily consistency, you can add little bit more oil as well. I'm just sprinkling little bit of water. Don't sprinkle more or don't pour in more, little bit will do. I have totally added only 60 milliliters of water, that's all. Now my dish is almost done. If you like the flavor of tamarind, you can before switching it off, maybe 1 to 2 minutes before, you can add little bit of tamarind pulp, but personally I don't like the taste of the tamarind in this recipe, so I just skip that step. If you like, then you can go ahead and add it. Now our long beans pirattal is ready. Make this healthy and tasty recipe at home and enjoy with your family and friends. Let me meet you with another interesting recipe. Thank you. Stay safe.